Anthropic has come up recently with Claude Design, and it might be the biggest game changer for non-designers yet. But to find out what it can actually do, I spent the last 3 weeks pushing it to its absolute limits. I tested hundreds of prompts, and today I'm gonna share the results of all of that research. Forget the gimmicks, I'm gonna give you 10 super practical use cases that actually work. We're gonna build media kits, Instagram carousels, and wireframes that will save you hours of busy work this week. Let's get into it. The very first thing you need to do in Claude Design is set up your brand. This is where Claude reads your existing files and it builds a design system that's for you. To do that, you can upload your design files or point it at your code base, or just simply describe your brand, your primary colors, the font you use, the logo, and whether your brand feels more minimal or bold, corporate or warm. And Claude builds a design system from that input. And from this point forward, every project that you create inherits those settings automatically. If you have a Figma file with your brand assets or brand guidelines PDF, upload that as well. Why does it matter so much? Well, without it, Claude defaults to a generic visual style. So do this first, and your assets will look like something you actually built, not something an AI came up with. Use case number 1, media kits and sponsorship decks. If you run any kind of brand partnership business, you need a document telling sponsors who you are and what you charge. I dumped my audience stats, collaboration types options, and rough pricing into Claude Design. And it automatically built a multi-page, visually polished document that I was able to export directly to Canva and make further changes and polish it a bit. And look, this doesn't just apply to sponsorship decks. You can create client proposals where you just put in deliverables, timeline, and the pricing structure. And it will format that proposal so you can send it the same day. For consultants or freelancers, this alone can save you 2 or 3 hours per one client. Let's go to use case number 2, which are Instagram carousels. It's incredibly easy to design carousels with Claude Design because you've already uploaded your brand guidelines. The only thing that you need to do is give it information about the topic, and it will create a full set of slides with consistent layout, typography, and visual hierarchy. Then you can export it directly to Canva, where every slide comes through as an editable file. So you can adjust copy, swap colors, resize it for stories, or hand it over to another team member to finish it. For marketers or content creators who batch produce carousel content, this is genuinely super fast. And the design thinking is done by Claude, while you can just do final tweaks. Personally, I love using it for educational content, the step-by-step frameworks, and tip-style posts. You just give Claude the idea and the key points, and you can let it handle the slide structure and layout. Number 3 is social media animations. And this one blew my mind because up until this point, I haven't seen an AI tool that would do a great job with this. And Claude Design is able to create jaw-dropping CSS and React animations, like gradient loops, text reveals, motion graphics. But there is one major problem with it. It wouldn't let you export MP4 files. And I mean, what's the point? If you screen record it, like it suggests that you do, you get drop frames, the colors are crashed, and it looks absolutely terrible. So there are 2 options that you can do. You can build your animation and click share, then export it as a standalone HTML, and then you go to Claude Code and you ask it to create an MP4 file from it. I also found one online tool. I'm not affiliated with it in any way. It's called claude2video.com. You just put in the HTML and you can get 30 frames per second, full resolution MP4. To get it without the watermark, I think you need to pay like 5 cents. But hey, you just unlocked high-end motion graphics for free. Use case number 4, website wireframes. Before you pay a developer or touch Webflow, describe your ideal page to Claude, and it can instantly produce a clickable layout, which can validate your site's flow in 5 minutes before a developer spends a week building something. And look, if you're a solopreneur who can't afford a developer now, you can just use what Claude made and hand it over to a tool like Vercel and have a website ready within 1 day. Let's go to use case number 5, pitch decks. I used to spend hours creating decks, but with Claude Design, you can give it the narrative, the solution, and the ask, and I found that Claude is a world-class narrative editor. I intentionally fed it completely out of order nodes, and it built a structured presentation with perfect visual hierarchy. And the first draft was about 80% done. You can export to PPTX or Canva, add your specific numbers, and you're ready to pitch. And obviously, you can use it for any other type of presentations. Let's talk lead magnets. Creating useful checklists, workbooks, or resource guides takes hours, and I used to put these off because designing them was so tedious. But Claude Design is absolutely incredible when it comes to the lead magnets. You can just describe what type of lead magnet you're looking for, whether that's like a guide that you walk through or maybe a Notion page, and it can handle all of the rest. Use case number 7, data dashboards. If you need to visualize client reports or metrics, Claude can prototype the dashboards and it can do it fast. But here is a warning. Throughout my testing, Claude Design would consistently default to making it look pretty over making it analytically accurate. So you have to step in and really direct it. Tell exactly what charts to use and what data to emphasize. Once you do, the iteration is really fast and the output is incredible. Use case number 8, App Wireframes. If you're thinking about building any kind of app, this one is for you, because you can just describe your user flow and Claude Design can give you a multi-screen interactive prototype that you can click through on your browser. I would say it's an ultimate cheat code for any founder. You can walk an investor for a product that doesn't even exist yet, without having to write a single line of code. Use case number 9, organic loaders. Have you previously seen those buttery smooth loading screens that usually they have on premium websites? Claude Design can write these as flawless CSS animations, and you can tweak the colors and speed just by chatting, and then hand it over straight to your developer. Use case number 10, newsletter templates. With Claude Design, you can just describe your brand and layout, and Claude will spit out a custom HTML email template that you can import straight into MailChimp, Beehive, or whatever other tool you use to distribute their newsletters. I would just make sure that you actually send the first email that you made to yourself and open it in dark background, in white background, on Outlook and on Gmail, because they do render the code differently. So test it first before you send it to hundreds of people. I hope you give some of these a try and hit subscribe if you want more heavily researched guides like this one.